Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a WordPress website step by step using Hostinger, the easiest and most affordable way to get your website online in 2025. Whether you want to start a blog, an online store, or a business website, this guide will walk you through everything, from buying hosting and a free domain to installing WordPress, customizing your design with Astra and Elementor, and finally launching your website live. Everything in this video is beginner-friendly, and the only paid part is hosting. But if you use the special link and Hostinger coupon code in the description, you'll get an extra 10% discount on Hostinger's plans. Let's get started and see how to make a WordPress website from scratch. Step 1. Visit Hostinger and choose your hosting plan. The first step in creating your WordPress website is to choose a reliable hosting provider. Head to hostinger.com using my link below to claim the latest deal. Here, select Premium Web Hosting. It's perfect for beginners and includes a free domain, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Click Claim Deal, then choose Plan. You can select a 12 or 24 or 48-month plan. The longer term gives you the best value. Click Continue and you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Create Hostinger account and checkout. To set up your WordPress hosting, you'll first need a Hostinger account. Sign up using your email or Google account. Enter your billing information, choose a secure password, and click Submit Payment. Once you complete the purchase, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard, where we'll continue our journey to build your WordPress website. Step 3. Verify your email and claim free domain name. Now, open your inbox and verify your Hostinger account email. Then click Claim Domain inside your Hostinger dashboard. Here you can pick your website name, short, simple, and easy to remember. This is one of the biggest advantages of Hostinger. You get free domain plus hosting together. That means no need to buy a domain separately or mess with DNS connections. Everything is set up automatically. Once you've verified your domain registration, you're ready to move on. Step 4. Install WordPress using Hostinger one click. Click Continue, Setup, then click Create Website, and then choose WordPress. Set your WordPress username and password. This will be your login for editing the site. Choose Create Blank Site, select your newly claimed domain, and leave the data center as default. Click Install WordPress, and Hostinger will automatically install it for you. In just a few minutes, you'll have your first WordPress website set up complete. No coding, no hassle. Step 5. Access and clean the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you now have WordPress installed. Click Edit Website to open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage pages, design, and plugins. Before we start designing, let's tidy things up. You need to remove or delete few things mentioned on the screen before proceeding further. Next, go to Permalink and choose the settings as per screen and save. Now you have a clean, simple workspace, perfect for the next steps in building your WordPress website. Step 6. Install Astra WordPress theme. Every great website needs a solid foundation, and that's where themes come in. Go to Appearance, select Themes, and then click Add New and search for Astra. Click Install and then Activate. Astra is one of the best free WordPress themes for beginners. It's fast, mobile responsive, and works perfectly with page builders like Elementor, making it easy to create a beautiful WordPress website without coding. Step 7. Install starter templates in Elementor Builder. To design your website visually, we'll install 2 free tools. Starter templates in Elementor. Go to Plugins, then click Add New, search for Starter Templates, install and activate it. Then when prompted, choose Elementor as your page builder. Elementor is the most popular drag-and-drop builder that lets you visually design every page of your website, so you can build a WordPress site step by step, exactly how you imagine it. Step 8. Choose a template and customize your WordPress website. Now we'll choose a pre-designed template to speed things up. Browse through starter templates. You'll find hundreds of free professional designs for blogs, portfolios, and business sites. Select one that matches your style and click Import Complete Site. Upload your logo, pick your font and color palette, and click Build My Website. Within minutes, you'll have a fully designed site ready to customize. This is how you create a WordPress website fast, even with zero design experience. Step 9. Edit your pages with Elementor. Now comes the fun part, customizing your website. Click Edit with Elementor on your homepage. You'll see your website on one side and Elementor's editing tools on the left. Click any text to change it, use the Style tab to adjust fonts and colors, or click on a button to update its text and link. To replace an image, click it, then choose Image, and then upload your own. Everything is live, visual, and simple. A true WordPress website builder experience. This lets you personalize your site exactly how you want it. Step 10. Add new pages and update your menu. To add new pages to your WordPress website, click New and then click Page, name it, and click Publish. Then click Edit with Elementor to design it using drag and drop widgets. Once done, update your site menu by going to Appearance, then click Customize, then Menus, and then Main Menu, and then click Add Items. Add your new page and click Publish. Now your visitors can easily navigate between all your pages. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a WordPress website step by step using Hostinger, complete with free domain, hosting, Astra theme, and Elementor Builder, all in under just 10 minutes. If you followed along, your site is now live and ready to share with the world. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Hosting Help 247, and use the special link below to get your exclusive 10% Hostinger discount. Thank you for watching.